Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, days after speculations of squashed beef by Peter and Paul Okoye, they have now been sighted together. Let's check out the story. Days after Peter and Paul Okoye were said to have followed each other on Instagram, with indication that the storm might be over between the brothers, the two brothers have now been sighted in a video together in what seemed like their first meeting since they decided to choose peace. Peter and Paul Okoye in the video were seen exchanging pleasantries, hugging, as well as smiling in the presence of other guests who were together with them. Let's check out the video.
You crazy. Nigga, you alright? Case dismissed. Case dismissed. Why light no there? 20 on light, now on light 20. On light. On light.
Meanwhile, today is also the 8th year wedding anniversary of Peter Okoye and his wife Lola Omotayo. And Peter Okoye, celebrating their wedding anniversary, took to Instagram to share a picture slide of himself and his wife with a love song playing. The video was accompanied by a very interesting caption by Peter Okoye which says, "Happy anniversary to my beautiful wife Lola Omotayo Okoye. When I tell you I love you, I don't say it out of habit or to make conversation. I say it to remind you that I love you. If I could give you one thing in life, I would give you the ability to see yourself through my eyes. Only then would you realize how special you are to me. I love you to the moon and back. Happy anniversary." Definitely feels like a double dose of happiness for the Okoye family, as so many people online are so excited seeing Peter and Paul back together, and have also extended their congratulations to Lola and Peter Okoye. Let's know what you think about this story in the comment section. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.